Hi friends, today for a sensory activity, we're going to play with some ice. So I have a bucket of ice and some warm water that we'll play with too. So I'm going to pick up some ice with my hand. Oh, that's so cold. Oh my goodness, that's so cold. I'm going to hold it in my hands. Have you ever felt something that was so cold, it almost starts to hurt? That's what's happening with my hands right now. This ice, it's so cold, my hands are starting to hurt. Another time that you might have felt something so cold that it started to hurt is if you ever went to the ocean and put your feet into that cold, cold ocean water. Your feet might have started to hurt, just like my hands are getting kind of hurt from this cold, cold ice. But also, if you can see, my hands are getting a little bit wet because the ice is melting in my hand, even though it's still so cold. And because it's starting to melt, it's getting a little bit slippery. Look, ready? Slip! So now, I'm going to put some more ice into my container of warm water, and we're going to see if that makes it feel any different. I have some ice cubes in the water. Now I'm going to pick them up now that they've been in the water for a couple seconds. Let's see. Whoa, those are even slipperier. They're hard to pick up out of this water. So these feel really slippery because they were just in some water, but they don't feel bumpy. Ice doesn't usually feel bumpy, right? It's really smooth, not rough or bumpy. So another thing I'm going to do with the water, so I have warm water. I'm going to put some ice back into it. I'll put a little bit more ice. And I'm going to see if putting the ice in the water, I'm going to see if it makes the water feel any different. Because remember, I have warm water right now. All right, I'm going to scoop out the ice now. So slippery. All right, so that water was warm. I'm going to put my hand in. Let's see if it's still warm. Oh no, that's cold now because I had the cold ice cubes in it. It's not warm water anymore, so that now feels cold. Alright, so we've been playing with ice cubes. Now I'm going to put some ice cubes on a tray. I have this big rock, and I'm going to use the rock like a hammer. And I'm going to try to carefully smash these ice cubes. And I'm going to feel what the ice cubes feel like when they're all smashed. So I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to smash my fingers with this rock. I just want the ice cubes. Ready? Smash! 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 There we go. So now I'm going to feel these smashed ice cubes. So now they're not smooth anymore. Now these ice cubes are rough and a little bit pointy sharp. Ouch! And these little pieces, these are also sharp, but they kind of feel like snow slush. It reminds me of playing in the snow. So when you're feeling your ice, we're going to call these ice chips now that they're not ice cubes anymore. When you're feeling your ice chips, do they feel colder than the ice cubes? Do they feel the same? Or do they feel maybe a little bit warmer than your ice cubes? I wonder. To me, they feel a little bit colder, but that might be because I have a lot in my hands. I wonder how they feel for you. All right. Now, I'm going to see, because ice is just frozen water, so I can put this in my mouth and it'll be safe. I'm going to put it in my mouth and see how that feels in my mouth. Whoa, so cold! Bye, friends!